Look at all these little faces. Hi. Hi. What you doing? Mom is sitting there sleeping. So the puppies are all gathered around next to the mom and saying, hi. Mom. Say mom. Say mom, let us out. I want to be out there with you. Look at those sweet faces. Look at those sweet faces. Just sweet puppies. Hey, Mom, we want to be out there with you. Why can't we be out with you? That one right there?
No, the one that's asleep underneath everybody else.
Oh, there is one asleep. Oh my goodness, look at that. Everybody's piling on top of her. Or him. Can't tell. Yeah. What are you doing? Hi. Hi. What you doing? What you doing, little one? What are you doing? Sticking your arms through the cage saying, hi. Get. Oh, Mom's putting her foot on me. Yeah, hi, Mom. You sleep next to the cage. Puppies want to get to you. You're like, nah, I've had enough of them for a while. At this stage, sometimes she gets late for the door. She's like, nah, not enough puppy. Too many puppies. Too many puppies. Say, what you doing? What you doing, Noah? Oh, it's so beautiful. They're so cute at this age. I mean, just absolutely gorgeous. And of course, if they're not doing this, they're doing that. Right there. Crashed. So, yeah. Anyway, I thought you guys might like to see the puppies sitting there at the edge of the cage waiting for Mom to wake up to go in and feed them. So let us in, let us out. Anyway, talk to you soon. Thought you guys liked this. Bye.